Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stampin' Camp with Mary. Today is simple stamping, and we are going to do this really simple and fun. Let me get it closer, so let's see. It's really hard to see the sayings on this one because it's such a small print. There. It says, our love is one that covers years through life's joys and sometimes tears. Bond that stands a test of time, mother and daughter, hearts entwined. So that's the one we're going to do today. What we're going to be using is we're going to be using a new stamp set, Tea Together. It's in the Occasions catalog. It also has a celebration item that you can get that will cut a lot of this out. So we're going to be using that. For ink, we're going to be using Memento Black. We are going to be using the Whisper White note cards, okay? We are also going to be using the Stamparatus. I've got it in my new Stamparatus bag. You should get yours. It is really great. The Stamparatus fits right in here. It has room for more plates, some of the grid paper and things like that. So I'm just getting out my Stamparatus. I'm going to set it up. Now this is easy. I really only need one plate set up. So I'm going to put there. And I am going to, better get my, okay. And again, I'm going to stamp over here, even though, so it's going to be upside down. These are some of the new cling stamps. Oh no, I do need two sets because I'm going to do this inside. So that, and I'm going to pick it up. I'm just going to ink it up with Memento. Oh, got Memento all over my fingers. Definitely have to wash my pants. Oops. Take the middle out of that. I like how they've taken the middle out of the teapot so you don't get any extra halos and stuff around that. Okay, then I'm going to take the saying and I am going to put that on, find a space right so it like that. Pick it up, ink it with Memento. Just like that. Now you can get this set and a few other things, and then with your celebrations rewards, you can get the if you have $100, the $100 one of the $100 rewards cuts this out with a framelit and cuts the rose in the other teacup up, I believe. So there you have it for Stampin' Camp with Mary. Simple stamping. Have a good day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.